Welcome. In this quick and easy guide, I'll show you exactly how to change your username on X, the app formerly known as Twitter, right from your PC using the latest update. Whether you're rebranding your account or simply want a fresh start, this step-by-step process will take only a minute or two. Let's jump right in. First, open the X app or website on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look toward the left-hand panel and find the More icon. It looks like 3 dots in a circle. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. Next, you'll see several options. Choose your account, and then click on Account Information. At this point, X may ask you to re-enter your password for security reasons. If that appears, simply type in your password and click Next to continue. Now you're looking at your account information page. Here's where the magic happens. Under Account Information, you'll see your current username listed in the username field. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you can edit your username. Type in the new username you'd like to use. X will automatically check if that name is available. If it is, you're good to go. If not, try adding a few numbers or choosing a variation that fits you. Once you're happy with your new username, click the Save button at the bottom to confirm your changes. And that's it. You've officially updated your username on X. You can now head back to your profile and see your new name displayed right away. Simple, fast, and completely updated. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and check out more quick tutorials like this one to make the most out of your social media accounts.